Hey, Brennan here, BrennanValesky.com, and in this video, we're going to be going over, is dropshipping legal? Now, this is probably a very common question for a lot of you guys who are just beginners in this whole dropshipping world or looking to get into Shopify dropshipping and all of that stuff. You probably want to know, is dropshipping legal, right? And to demolish any myths flat out, yes, dropshipping is 100% legal. So it is 100% legal. Now, depending on how you operate your business, could either be good or bad. And we're going to be going into the good and bad, the pros and cons, and all of that kind of stuff in this video on how you actually want to operate your business. Because if you're asking is dropshipping legal, you want to kind of bring in the ethics into this whole entire model. You're probably wondering, is this ethical to actually do this? Are people actually doing dropshipping? Is this really a legitimate business model? And it is. So first and foremost, dropshipping has existed for years upon years. It has been around for a very long time. It is really just a order fulfillment service that is provided by suppliers or an external company. Just to put it flat out, the definition of what dropshipping is. It really is just a order fulfillment method through suppliers. So if you, say for example, you had an e-commerce store, right? It may be a Shopify store, whatever kind of store you're running. You have this bracelet here, right? You're selling these bracelets. Basically, what it is where a company overseas, or maybe in the U.S. as well. There are dropshipping companies in the U.S. as well as overseas. It just depends on what you're doing for your business. And but the most popular model is to use AliExpress and from overseas. But it does depend on what you're doing. But if you are going that route, then basically someone places an order on your store, your online store, and then you go into the back end and click fulfill. And then the supplier receives the order and they send it and ship it directly to the customer. Now, like I said, this model has existed for years upon years. It is nothing revolutionary or magical in any way, shape, or form. It really is just a way to fulfill orders. Now, if you are utilizing AliExpress as a fulfillment method, there are some suppliers that are going to be offering a variety of different shipping methods. Now, when it comes into the ethics and the whole legality of this entire business model, you want to make sure that you're offering the best experience for your customers at the end of the day. That is first and foremost the most important aspect, because if you can have a good relationship with your customers, obviously they're going to want to purchase from you more and more. If you give them value, you treat them well, they're going to want to buy some more from you, of course, and that's really the most ethical way to actually run your business. Now, so we're going to be going over the good aspects and the bad aspects, like I had said. The good way to do it is to be 100% ethical. What you want to do on AliExpress, if you are fulfilling your products that way through China, you want to make sure you select ePacket so you can avoid the long shipping times. Now, a lot of people run into this whole, is dropshipping legal because of the long shipping times and not treating customers well, and the whole, bad rap that dropshipping has, which is really just bad business people, okay? It's really not the model at all that's wrong. It's people that are, not answering any customer emails, not responding to customer questions, not helping people out, selecting the cheapest shipping method so that it gets to the customer in, 2 months. That's why you want to make sure you pick suppliers with ePacket, because that gets to customers in about 12 to 20 days, which is, it's longer, definitely, but it's not terrible. Especially a lot of companies, too, a lot of smaller businesses do have that kind of shipping window, unless they are doing USPS, 2-day shipping. So, and there is a way to offer that as well if you do want to avoid the dropshipping route, but to stay on topic here with, is it legal? Of course it's legal. It's just that you want to operate your business in the most ethical way. So pick ePacket if you're shipping these little bracelets and stuff like that. And that's just a complete example. Obviously, you need to pick products that are based on your niche and all that kind of stuff to really serve your customers well, and obviously offer the best things to them to get people to actually want to purchase your products. But at the end of the day, you're ordering these products, you're shipping them directly to the customer, and as long as you maintain the relationship with the customer well, because that's effectively what your job is, because you're not handling the actual packaging and shipping. If you're wondering what it would come in, it does come in a package very much like this. It just says ePacket at the top with USPS, because ePacket is fulfilled by the United States Postal Service if you're in the U.S. and you're shipping that way. Which most people are, selling to the U.S. market. I would imagine most people watching this video. So or even if you are overseas, you're probably selling to the U.S. market. So effectively, it comes in something like this, and it just comes inside there, and it just has the shipping on it, and it would say China Post in the corner, but it does say e-packet at the top. So it doesn't take incredibly long to get to the customer. The whole job on your end is to make sure that you are managing that relationship well and keeping your business actually running ethically well, because that is really the big problem with dropshipping that a lot of people run into, or maybe a lot of the scammy dropshipping marketers out there, like, oh my God, dropshipping is so amazing, treat the customers like crap, and that's definitely the wrong way to go about doing things for the long-term sustainability of your business model. So if you enjoyed this video, hopefully I answered your questions. If you have any more questions, be sure to leave that down in the comment section below. You can feel free to do that. But yeah, it's legal. It's just operate your business ethically. Think about your moral compass, and that's got, it's got to come into this. But at the end of the day, you'll be all set as long as you operate your business quite well. You select the better shipping times and all that stuff. So I hope you enjoyed. Be sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button if you enjoyed the video as well, so you get notified as well. You can hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. But anyway, guys, Brennan here, BrennanVelesky.com, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out.